Alright guys, one more truck for today. This is the brand new Humvee 4CT fastback. New Hot Wheels monster trucks, new 2025. Part of Crash Legends. The back, so all I need is Dragonizer, Gangster, and the Scratch Attack, and I have this case complete. Humvee 4CT flashback, name, Humvee 4CT flashback, truck type Hummer, strength, huge and hostile, Crash Attack, all-terrain destroyer. Pretty amazing, guys. Let's go ahead and get it open. Ooh. I love that hot pink color flares, guys. 105. Teal rims and beadlocks, or turquoise. Black roll cage, black chassis. It has headlight printing, surprisingly. Grill printing. The little lamps on the side. The headlamps, what it's called. Vent up here. 105. The crazy color combination. Of course, that was plastic, because they do some plastic ones with diecast. All those monster trucks, guys. It says monster trucks right there with the tire. It says something right there. I don't know. No taillight printing. It says 105. And that name, I don't know what it says. So, a little escape chute there. So that's all I got today, guys. Next, grab, comment, share, guys, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.